When we first moved abroad, we thought finding a new place to live would be the hardest part, but it turns out finding community was significantly harder. We flew out from the States a little over a year ago, leaving our jobs, friends, and families behind.
So we wanted to share a few things that we've been trying to do and implement into our lives in order to build our community back up.
Yeah, and we're doing one of those today, which is showing up.
One of the hardest parts.
One of the hardest parts, because everybody has so many things to do in a limited amount of time in the day, right? Can we go over here?
Yeah, of course, there's a dog.
And so there's an art show today in our community, and we, aren't insane, passionate lovers of everything art.
We do like art.
We do enjoy art, and we think that it's really important to show up for, these kind of events. It's Semana Santa here in San Pedro right now, and also in all of Guatemala, right? But
there's so much going on here this week because it is Semana Santa, and so this art show came across our
actually,
feed, I think.
Well, a friend of ours sent it to us and was like, hey, we thought this would be fun if you wanted to show it off on the channel. So we're like, why not?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's check it out. It should be a lot of local artists, but we want to just show up for our community right now. So we're on the way.
Hopefully we miss the rain.
Hopefully the rain holds off.
Yeah.
And we're trying out a new tripod right now. So bear with us. On the way.
On the way. Look how pretty these are.
I know.
Okay, so we just finished looking around the art show a little bit. Absolutely stunning. There's so many people, colors. There's actually some people painting here live, which is so cool.
Yeah, absolutely amazing seeing these local artists coming out, showing off their amazing work. Tons of people coming out here just walking.
And such a beautiful day. The rain held off.
Thankfully, the rain held off. It looked like it was going to rain before or on the way here, but yeah, it's turned out to be a beautiful day.
So far, so good.
We showed up for our community, right? The second thing that we really noticed made an impact on building our community is just trying new things like this.
Like we said, we aren't really like art connoisseurs. We enjoy art as much as the next person, but it's not like something we're avidly passionate about. But we came, we saw, and it has been such an enjoyable time. And we actually have seen some people we've known along the way,
right?
Which has been so fun.
Hola, amigo.
Tu perros? No, okay.
No, I was like, there's two dogs right here.
Yeah, right here. Anyway, so that's another thing we wanted to drive home about finding a community and building a community. It's about trying new things and about doing new experiences, because if you don't do new experiences, you won't meet new people.
Right.
And so that's the whole point of building a community, is like, expanding the people around you and building friendships.
Yeah, just saying yes when you're invited, right? You have to show up, you have to get there, you have to make the time, because if you don't, it's very easy to say no again, and then again, and then all of a sudden the invitations stop coming. And when you're trying to build your community, you get somewhere new, or you might be trying to build your community and you've been in the same town for the last 10 years. Just getting out of your comfort zone really makes the difference. It's not always easy.
No.
I didn't really want to come here today. I wanted to just sit at home and work
and not get rained on.
But I'm so happy we came out here.
It's been such a fun day. And so now we're probably just going to take a little bit more time and walk around a little bit more, kind of take it in, because if you don't know, filming takes time. So we're going to go around
so much more
for our
time.
benefit and just kind of explore, and then we'll probably just head back.
Perfect.
All right, we'll see you guys in a sec.
Okay, so the last thing is consistent.
Yeah.
Consistency is everything.
That goes hand in hand with saying yes.
Right.
So if you continue to say no, you're not going to get invitations. So consistency is key because eventually you're going to need something.
Right.
And you're going to need people to show up for you. And so showing up for others is what builds that trust
100%.
and that community feeling.
And doing it not just once, but continuously,
Multiple
right?
times.
You know, because you're not going to just build your community by going to one event.
Yeah.
Right. Even though we actually didn't get into that many conversations with people. Let's go.
Very busy today.
Very busy.
Woo!
So yeah, we actually didn't get into that many conversations with people down there because I was honestly primarily focused on filming. But you know, we're gonna have to get. What am I trying to say? But you're gonna have to
make an effort.
Make an effort.
And stay consistent and say yes to people and do things that are uncomfortable.
Right.
And so that kind of like wraps up the entire thing really, is that if you're, you know, trying new things, saying yes, being consistent, and showing up, that's it.
Yeah, you will build a community, right, over time, and it's not gonna come overnight, but
it'll come.
It will come, and it won't feel as lonely, right? You're gonna be all of a sudden. I don't know what I'm trying.
Feel like an outsider.
You're not going to be feeling like an outsider. You're going to be, you know, you're going to walk into the room and they're going to be like, hey,
you're here.
Chris, you're here. So.
And that's what you're going for.
That's what we're going for. Anyway, we're going to get off here. It is very busy.
Very busy street.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like it, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Support us on Patreon if you feel like it. We're loving Guatemala.
And stay tuned because we have a Semana Santa video coming up because, like we said, this is Semana Santa week.
Yes.
So it's going to be very exciting.
Most likely it'll be right here. I'll put it right over Grace's head.
All right. Thanks so much for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Wow. What is this called?
I don't know. I can look it up.
Trumpets.
I call them the trumpet flower.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. Incredible. He's backing this in.